We'll see how to explore the Peachtree accounting. 1. Opening a company. 2. Backup a company. 3. Delete a company. 4. Close a company. 5. Restore a company, and 6. The main menu. 1. Now let us see first how to open a company in Peachtree. Option 1, Open a company. The Open Company and Open Previous Company menu commands provides access to previously created companies. Use the New Company command to set up a new company if you want. Steps: after starting the Peachtree program, Peachtree displays the startup screen. Step 1. Select Open an existing company, the first option. Peachtree displays the Open an existing company window, where recently opened companies are listed. Step 2. Select the name of the company you want to open from the company name list, and select OK. If a company name is not listed, click the Browse button to locate and select the company you want to open. You can only have one company open at a time in Peachtree. Option 2, Open a company within Peachtree. Step 1. From the File menu, select Open Company. Peachtree displays the Open Company window. If you already have a company open, when you open another company, Peachtree will close the current company. Step 2. Select the name of the company you want to open from the company name list box, and then select OK. Option 3, Open a recently opened company. Step 1. From the File menu, select Open Previous Company. Step 2. Select the company name from the submenu that appears. 2. Back up your company. Backing up your company frequently is an important part of maintaining your Peachtree system. Peachtree provides a simple backup utility. It is important that you back up your company data files on a regular basis in case information is accidentally deleted or corrupted. Backups are the only way to ensure the security of the accounting records you store in Peachtree. Without backups, you run the risk of losing weeks or months of work. To back up your company data files and customized forms using the Peachtree format, use the following procedure. Step 1. From the File menu, select Backup. Peachtree displays the Backup Company window. Step 2. Select the Reminder checkbox if you want to be prompted to back up in a specified number of days. Peachtree will display a reminder message when you close the company or exit the program. Step 3. Select the Include Company Name checkbox if you want Peachtree to incorporate your company name in the name of the backup file it creates. Step 4. Click the Backup Now button to enter or select where you want to save your Peachtree backup file. Step 5. If you are not prepared to back up your company data at this time, click Close. Step 6. In the Save Backup As window, at Save and enter or select the path or the location where you want to save your backup copy. Normally, select the local disk D. Step 7. Click the Save button. Peachtree starts the backup process. Step 8. Click OK. The system displays the progress of the backup until it is complete. 3. Close a company. If you want to open a different company in Peachtree, Peachtree will automatically close the current company. When you exit Peachtree, Peachtree closes the company for you. Note: closing a company does not close the accounting period or year. 4. Open Backup File Restore. This process will restore your company data files and customized forms to a previous state. Once you restore your data, all information entered after the date of the backup file will be lost and will have to be re-entered. The Restore Company Data File window consists of the following fields. 1. Look in, choose the folder, hard drive, diskette drive, network drive, or data storage device connected to your computer where your Peachtree backup file is located. 2. File name, enter or select the file name for your Peachtree backup. Peachtree backup files use the .ptb file extension. 3 files of type, choose Peachtree backup.ptb type from the drop-down list. Depending on the quantity of data, the restoration process may take a while to complete. Be patient and do not interrupt the process. If you interrupt the restoration process, you might corrupt the data. To restore company data file. 1. Open the company you want to restore. 2. From the File menu, select Restore window. Peachtree displays the open backup file. 3. Choose the folder, hard drive, diskette drive, network drive, or data storage device connected to your computer where your Peachtree backup file is located. Peachtree backup files use the .ptb file extension. 4. Select the backup file you want to restore. To begin restoring data, select the correct .ptb file, and then select the Open button. 5. To continue, select the company you wish to restore backup file to, an existing company or a new company, then select Next. 6. The Restore Options window appears, letting you decide which files you want to restore. To restore all backed up custom forms, such as customized invoices, select the Customized Forms checkbox. To restore all web transactions in the Peachtree Web Transaction Center, select the Web Transactions checkbox. To restore all backed up data files for the company, including customized forms, select the Company Data checkbox. Warning: if you have chosen to restore the backup file to an existing company folder will be a dangerous operation, so that be careful for the selection, because the selection of an existing company will remove the opened company data. And then the Restore Wizard confirmation window will appear to confirm your process. If you sure for the process, click the Finish button, the restore process will begin. 7. Select the Finish button. If you are restoring data from diskettes, the system will request you to insert the first and subsequent diskettes, as needed. During the restore process, Peachtree displays a progress indicator. 5. Delete a Peachtree company. In order to delete a company, you must exit Peachtree and delete the company data folder using Windows Explorer. Warning: you should make a backup of the company's data if there is any possibility you may need the information later. It is also recommended that you back up data on your hard drive before beginning this procedure. 1. Open Peachtree and the company you want to eventually delete. 2. From the Help menu, select the Customer Support and Service, then File Statistics. Write down the company short name displayed in the title bar of the File Statistics window. The title bar displays data file statistics for Smunico, where Smunico is the short version of your company name. 5. Exit Peachtree. From the Start menu, select Programs, and then click Windows Explorer. 6. Locate the /Peachtree folder using one of the following methods. If Peachtree is installed locally, not installed on a network, or company data is shared from this computer, select the folder and directory where Peachtree is located. /Peachtree is the default directory name. If Peachtree is installed on a network, select the drive and folder where Peachtree is located. /Peachtree is the default directory name. 7. Double-click the /Peachtree folder to display subfolders. One of the subfolders should be named the same as the short company name you wrote down earlier. 8. Select the company folder that matches the company's short name. This is your company data. 9. To remove the company data, press the Delete key. Select Yes to confirm that you want to delete all the folder contents. Your company is removed. It will not be available when you open Peachtree. 6. Exploring the Peachtree accounting menus. 1. The File menu. File main menu involves major commands such as open an existing company. While one company is opened, it is possible to switch from one company to another, create a new company, print data, backup company data, restore a data, import or export data from one program to another, exit Peachtree accounting program. 2. The edit menu. Edit menu helps mainly to edit company data, and it involves commands such as cut, copy, paste, find transactions, edit or delete records, select or save memorized transactions, display accounting behind the screen for the selected transactions. Add or remove line for transactions. 3. Maintain menu. Maintain is the main menu through which general ledger records, subsidiary ledger records, and other records are maintained. It enables to maintain customers' ledgers, to maintain vendors' ledgers, to maintain employees' ledger, to maintain a chart of accounts, to maintain inventory records or inventory ledger, to maintain job costs, job centers where costs and revenues are to be accumulated specifically. To edit company information entered when the company is created originally, use the company setup checklist, to create memorized records, to limit access to Peachtree accounting by limiting authorized users into the program, to set up default information regarding vendors, customers, employees, job centers, etc. 4. Task menu. This menu is mainly used to enter and process transactions and other data. It makes recording on quotes, sales orders, sales invoices, receipts, credit memos, purchase orders, purchase receipt, payments, enter payroll records, general journal entries, inventory adjustments, account reconciliation, to make changes in accounting periods. 5. Analysis menu. It is mainly used to make graphical analysis in relation to cash receipts and cash payments. 6. Option menu. This is used to change the general global setup of Peachtree accounting, to change the default setup on Peachtree accounting, to change the system date. 7. Reports menu. This is a menu from which different reports from Peachtree accounting are to be produced. The reports include trial balance, chart of accounts, customer's ledger, vendor's ledger, financial statements, balance sheet, income statement, retained earnings statement, retained earnings and income statement combined, inventory reports, job reports, account reconciliation. 8. Service menu. This involves a menu where different Peachtree accounting information may be obtained, including web and internet information. 9. Help menu. This displays different troubleshooting manuals in connection with Peachtree accounting. Peachtree accounting tutorial is available from this menu. It also provides general information about Peachtree's accounting. Thank you for watching us. The next tutorial will be the maintain menus of the Peachtree accounting. You will get the knowledge for establishing your Peachtree accounting base. Please subscribe and share our channel to reach to our communities for learning.